there was some chicken breast that was frozen, and they were gonna, like, it's been sitting in my fridge for a while, and I wanted to cook it up. So what I put into this Instant Pot was carrots, onions, and as you can see, it's all done now. So seasoned, but it really, the flavor, like the aroma, that's why I wanted to show you guys the aroma actually is really, really good. So what I used primarily is mustard powder. So, and I used a little bit of some balsamic vinegar that's flavored. So the aroma is awesome. And I put onions in there, carrots, and some seasoning that I used here, right there. So, and I'm gonna do a quick taste test for you guys to see if it's as good as it smells. So. Yeah, so the chicken breast I had was sitting in my fridge for a while, and you know, you get the freezer burn if you leave it out there for too long. So, all right, let's do a quick taste test. It's actually really good. If you love mustard, you're probably gonna love this. It just gives it a lot of that mustard flavor aroma right into the meat actually. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe, channel.